Hey everyone, Ish here from Nam Now. Welcome back to another video where today we are playing Toca Lab. So in this tutorial you have to make different types of slimes and keep making them. I made many. This is my list. So the newest I've made is, let it go.
Lulu.
Lorry.
No.
Different sounds.
Fem. Meter. Tame. Ace. Tiri. Liver.
This guy's making one.
Arty.
Beep.
Bebo.
Flea. Hunk.
I love this guy's sound.
Hunk.
So,
Hafa.
what?
Zr.
I'll choose this one. Let me try this. Doesn't work.
Huh?
Let me try this one. So I already have it. So I already have that one. So I'll check or go up here. So freezing. I guess I should give him an electric shock. Don't know. This should happen. But yeah. Now it's done. Now I know which one it is. Boom.
Newbie.
So I've got this one. This guy's name is Newbie. So
Newbie.
he makes this, and chemical makes that.
Newbie.
Something makes this. So I guess this. So it's not working. Now this one. Should we? No, not this one. Not freezing. Let me see. Electric shock.
Ta-ta. Oz.
So this. This one. This guy's melting. Now, let me see this one. Already have it. wanna see electric shock.
Take a boogie.
So what else?
Hava.
Ta-ta. Siri. Dooby-dooby.
Hava. Zr zr. Hava hava.
Ta-ta.
Take a boogie.
Mido.
Take a boogie.
So guys, that's gonna be pretty much for today's episode. If you like it, please do leave that thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And also, if you want to check out some more, I'll make some more of Toka Lab. And yeah, I'll see you in, if you want to subscribe me, you can subscribe me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Good.